Get ready to slither into the world of Python programming. Today we're going to rattle our keyboards and code a spectacular snake game. Don't be a snake in the grass, join us and let's Pythonify our coding skills. See how I played with the words there?
Now, this is epic.
And before we start, I shall show you our final result. Okay, right. This is the real result. Create a folder. Let's name it Snake Game. Let's open it. CMD. Code. Let's create a file. Let's name it snake.py. Let's download some necessary libraries. Pip install Pygame. Pretty. Now let's import it. Let's import random. Now we're gonna initialize Pygame.initialize, and now let's set up the window when width. This is the width of the window. Let's put it like 800. When height, let's put it like 600. When it's equal Pygame.display set mode Pygame display that caption, name it snake. Let's set up the colors. Background color, say let's make it white. Snake color, let's say red or green, better. Food, let's make it red. Let's set up now the game clock. So clock equal by game timer clock. Now let's set up the snake width, say 10, snake height, let's say 10, snake speed, let's say also 6, snake snake height, y is equal in height. Now the snake dx, it's the direction of the snake. Speed snake. Now these the snake segment. Come down. Let's set up now the food. The same thing. Foot width 10, foot height 10. Foot width y is equal random rand ints 0. Same thing. When height, foot height. Now let's set up the score. It's gonna be displayed. Score starts with 0, and now the game loop, which is game over, equal false. So while not game over, for event in Pygame.events.get. Now if event.type equal Pygame width, have game over is equal true, go else if event.type is equal Pygame key down. So when we press the key down, this one, if event.key is equal Pygame key up, and snake dy different than snake speed, so snake dx is equal to 0, and snake dy is equal to minus the snake speed. down. Now elif event.key, the same thing, is equal Pygame key down, and snake dy is opposite, so minus the snake speed, it's the same. So snake should do the x is equal to 0, and snake dy is equal to snake speed. Okay, finished from those two. Now elif event key equal Pygame dot k left, and snake dy dx now is different than snake speed. So what's wrong with this one? Snake dx equal to minus the snake speed, and snake dy is equal to 0. elif event, okay, that's the wrong with that thing. Event key is equal Pygame dot key right now, and the snake dx different than minus the snake speed. Now go down, snake dx is equal to snake speed, go down, snake dy now is equal to 0. Okay, let's remove the space in here. Okay, right, everything's perfect now. So let's go to the other one. Now move the snake x plus equal snake dx snake y plus equal snake dy. Now we'll go down. Now another one. Yeah, it's there. Now let's check for collisions on the walls. So if you hit the wall, it's gonna be game over, obviously. Like x, like that, plus width. Now let's check for collisions. Collisions with food now. So when you eat the food, it's gonna be removed and generate another one. Now let's do the instructions. Food x is equal to random.randint. So this is gonna generate the food in a random place. Now food y and the same thing. Now the score is equal +1 if you hit or eat this the food, and the snake segment becomes bigger, taller. Go down. Snake speed +1 plus. This is gonna increase the snake's speed. So every time you eat food, it's gonna become faster. 5 equals 0, so say food width, say the food becomes bigger, So this has increased the food size every 5 points, and food height, this one, let's go down. Okay, equal plus 5 also, and now if score center equal 0, so add a new segment to the snake every 10 points. Now snake segment append the snake segment -1. Now let's check for collision with the snake's tail. Just like it's like basically eating yourself. Thick segment. Zero then so snake segment. Now snake segment 0 is gonna make snake X, snake Y. For I in range 1 snake segment, length of snake segment. So if snake X inferior to snake segment of I 0 plus snake width, and the snake X plus snake width superior to snake segment of I and 0 again, and this is gonna be a long instruction, so game over is equal to true. So basically if you eat yourself, it's game over. Now we go down for fill the background color. So when fill background color, which is white, it's gonna be white. Now draw the snake for segment in snake segments by game. Draw rack when snake color and segment 0 and segment 1. Snake width and also snake height. Now let's go for another one. Let's draw the food, basically the same thing with the snake. So Pygame draw rack when food color. Now open that food X, food Y, food width, and food height. Draw this car now, the phone Pygame fire, this fire, day none. 30, no text, equals to font, render, this not this F score. Now let's update the display, so every time something happens the display gets updated. And let's set the game clock equal 30 and quit Pygame now. Pygame.quit. So I think that's it. The program is done. There's something, yeah, it's a true there. Okay, now everything is perfect. Okay, now let's try to run it. No, God, what happened?
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.
Okay, let's see what's the problem. Oh yeah, right. Yeah, the speed. There's no, or basically there's no space there. So it needs to go down. That's it. Let's run it now. Okay,
No,
come on, man.
God!
Oh, clock, yeah.
No, God!
Clock and tick. Right. Its rank was a clock. Yeah. Okay. Now it's supposed to work. 100% has to work now. Let's just make the speed 10. Come on. Okay, it's working perfectly.
Look around you. Look at this. We created this. This didn't exist
this is
before
the
we were
game,
here.
this
Look
is
around
their
at the
dog.
square. I promise you right now, we did this. Doesn't matter what anybody says. They can say it's disrespectful. They can say it's this and that. Everybody's within the rules. Everybody's doing their thing. All we are is proud and passionate.
And that's how you code the snake game. If you like the video, please subscribe for our channel for more codes. And as always, keep on coding.